Did you know that not all the nutrients you eat actually get absorbed by your body? Some go straight to work, while others struggle to make it past your digestive system. And if you're not absorbing them, you're not getting the benefits. In this video, I'll break down which nutrients your body absorbs easily, which ones don't, and, most importantly, how you can improve absorption to get the most out of your food. So, let's get into it. Let's start with the good news. Some nutrients are naturally easy for your body to absorb. First, water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and all the B vitamins. They dissolve in water, pass straight into your bloodstream from the digestive system, and whatever your body doesn't use, it simply flushes out in urine. That's why you need them daily, they don't get stored. Next, glucose, the simple sugar found in fruits, honey, and starchy foods. Your body absorbs it quickly and turns it into energy. That's why sugary foods give you a quick boost, but also why too much sugar can cause spikes and crashes. Then we have electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and chloride. These are absorbed fast and help with hydration, nerve function, and muscle contractions. If you've ever felt instantly better after drinking an electrolyte drink when dehydrated, now you know why. And finally, amino acids, the building blocks of protein. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then used to repair muscles, make hormones, and even support brain function. So those are the easy ones. Now, let's talk about the nutrients that are a bit more stubborn. Some nutrients need a little extra help. Either they don't dissolve well, they get blocked by other compounds, or your body struggles to use them. Let's start with the fat-soluble vitamins, vitamins A, D, E, and K. Unlike water-soluble vitamins, these need fat to be absorbed properly. If you're eating a salad packed with vitamin K but no healthy fat, you're missing out. Solution? Add some olive oil, avocado, or nuts to your meal. Next up, iron, specifically, the type found in plants, called non-heme iron. This is much harder for your body to absorb compared to heme iron from meat. But you can fix this by eating plant-based iron with vitamin C. A great example? Squeeze some lemon juice over your spinach, or pair beans with bell peppers. Now let's talk about calcium. You might think drinking milk is enough, but calcium absorption is actually tricky. Some plant foods contain compounds called oxalates and phytates that block calcium from getting absorbed. The solution? Eat calcium-rich foods like dairy or sardines with vitamin D, which helps your body use it better. Magnesium is another tricky one. It competes with calcium for absorption, and many people don't get enough. To improve absorption, eat magnesium-rich foods like nuts and dark leafy greens with vitamin B6, which helps magnesium do its job inside your body. Then there's zinc. Your body struggles to absorb zinc if you're getting too much iron or calcium at the same time because they all compete for absorption. The fix? Get zinc from foods like meat and shellfish, or pair plant-based zinc sources with a little acid, like lemon juice or vinegar. And finally, vitamin B12, this one's really important. B12 requires a special protein in your stomach, called intrinsic factor, to be absorbed. Some people, especially older adults, don't produce enough of this protein, making B12 absorption difficult. If you have low energy, brain fog, or tingling in your hands and feet, you might be low in B12. The best sources are animal foods, but if you have trouble absorbing it, sublingual B12 or injections might be the best option. There are also some nutrients that your body absorbs, but they don't work as well unless they have the right conditions. Take omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and flax seeds. These healthy fats are essential for brain function and reducing inflammation, but they oxidize easily, which makes them less effective. To keep them potent, always store fish oil properly and take it with food that contains fat. Then there are antioxidants like curcumin from turmeric and resveratrol from red grapes. These have incredible health benefits, but they're poorly absorbed. To fix that, pair curcumin with black pepper. It boosts absorption by up to 2000%. And for resveratrol, consume it with healthy fats like olive oil or nuts to improve bioavailability. So, how can you make sure you're actually absorbing all the good stuff from your food? Here are 3 simple tips. 1. Pair foods wisely. Certain nutrients work better together, like vitamin C with iron or vitamin D with calcium. 2. Eat healthy fats. Fat-soluble vitamins and omega-3s need fat to be absorbed properly. 3. Take care of your gut. A healthy digestive system is key to absorbing nutrients. Eat plenty of fiber, fermented foods, and avoid things that damage gut health, like too much processed food or alcohol. At the end of the day, it's not just what you eat that matters, it's what your body absorbs. Making small changes, like adding the right food combinations or improving gut health, can make a huge difference in how much nutrition you actually get from your meals. So next time you're planning your meals, think about absorption. Because the best diet in the world won't help if your body isn't actually using the nutrients. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep learning how to fuel our bodies the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.